We'll guide you through how to fix the issue of a video still processing in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com to access Google Drive. You need to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account where your video is stored. Once you're logged in, locate the video file that's stuck in processing. Sometimes, large files may take longer to process, so first check the file size and consider reducing it if it's very large. If the processing delay is unusual, try refreshing the page by pressing F5 or clicking the refresh icon in your browser. This can sometimes resolve minor glitches. If the issue persists, clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any potential interference with the processing. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the Privacy and Security section, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to check cached images and files, then clear the data. After doing this, restart your browser and check Google Drive again. If the video is still processing, try downloading the video and re-uploading it to see if that kickstarts the processing. Click on the video file, choose the download option, and once it's saved to your device, upload it back to Google Drive by dragging it into the browser window. This method often resolves stuck processing times. If none of these steps work, consider trying a different browser or updating your current one to the latest version, as outdated browsers can sometimes cause issues with Google Drive's functionality. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.